Hey there ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Alexander, and it's time for the colour of the month. Well, first off, what is this style? I can hear you cry. Well, this is Maude, and Maude is in the Amore Collection. But we're here to talk about the colour. Now, the colour is called Rusty Sunrise R. So the R stands for the root. So you can see we've got this transitional root regrowth, which is around about, I'd say a base 6, like a chocolate brown 6.5-ish. And then we've got this really nice kind of reddy copper base. It's not too like bright copper, it's not too bright red, it's like a little bit newted in there. And we've also got these really nice kind of blonde golden highlights, which really break up the colour and give it loads of texture. I think this is a fabulous colour. I think it's really, really cool. It's a really nice kind of mix of blondes, reds, and obviously keeping it natural with that transitional root. What do you guys think? This is my colour of the month. This is Rusty Sunrise R, and she's in the Amore Collection. I'm showing it in the style Maude.